All right, so I want to walk you guys through how to force quit an app on your Mac. I'm demoing this on a Mac Studio, but it's going to be pretty much the same thing across all different types. And a force quit is when an app or a something is not responding on your Mac. Now, the first way, this is pretty simple. Go to the Apple icon and then scroll down. You'll see that there's a force quit button here. And now this is going to open all the applications that are currently open and live in your on your system. So I can click through here, and then if this was the one that's not responding, I would just hit force quit, and I'll hit force quit, and you'll see that that application has now completely closed. Now the shortcut key, the shortcut keyboard it would be Command, Option, and then Escape. It's going to open the same window here for force quitting applications. So one more time, Command, Option, Escape. And there it is. So that is how you're going to force quit applications on your Mac. I hope this helps. If it does, if you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.